Ever stared at your phone, wondering why your budget app is throwing a digital tantrum? Like, you know your subscriptions are in check, your bills are paid, but Rocket Money is flashing a warning, temporary issue. What exactly does that mean? Is your financial life about to implode? Are gremlins sabotaging your savings? Or is it just something else entirely? Hey everyone, welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the cryptic world of temporary issues on Rocket Money. Because let's face it, when it comes to our finances, temporary can feel like an eternity. We've all been there, right? That moment of panic when something goes sideways with our money management tools. You're trying to stay on top of your budget, track your spending, maybe even negotiate some bills, and then BAM. A roadblock. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's establish some context. Rocket Money, previously known as Truebill, has become a go-to for many of us looking to simplify our financial lives. It promises to help us track spending, cancel unwanted subscriptions, and even negotiate better rates on our bills. It's designed to be a streamlined, user-friendly tool. But, like any complex system, it's not immune to hiccups. Think about it. Rocket Money connects to countless financial institutions, pulls data from various sources, and runs complex algorithms to provide you with those insights. It's a massive undertaking. And when you're dealing with that much data, those many connections, and that level of complexity, things can, and sometimes do, go awry. So, what are these temporary issues we're talking about? Well, they're not always cut and dried. They can stem from a variety of sources, and understanding these sources is key to demystifying that frustrating message. Let's break it down into a few key categories. 1. Connection issues with financial institutions. This is perhaps the most common culprit. Rocket Money relies on a secure connection to your bank accounts, credit card companies, and other financial institutions to pull your data. If there's a problem with that connection, you're going to see that temporary issue message. What kind of problems are we talking about? Bank server downtime. Banks and credit unions experience technical difficulties just like any other company. If their servers are down for maintenance or experiencing an outage, Rocket Money won't be able to access your data. API changes, APIs, application programming interfaces, are the communication bridges between different software systems. Banks and financial institutions sometimes update their APIs, and if Rocket Money isn't updated to reflect those changes, the connection can break. Security updates. Banks are constantly updating their security protocols to protect your data. These updates can sometimes temporarily disrupt the connection with third-party apps like Rocket Money. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, challenges. While MFA adds an extra layer of security, it can sometimes cause issues with automated data retrieval. If your bank requires an additional authentication step, Rocket Money might struggle to access your account. 2. Data synchronization problems. Even if the connection is working, there can still be issues with data synchronization. Delayed data updates. Sometimes, the data from your financial institutions might not be updated in real time. There can be a delay of a few hours or even a day, leading to inaccurate or incomplete information in Rocket Money. Data formatting errors. Different financial institutions format their data in different ways. Rocket Money has to translate this data into a consistent format. If there's an error in this translation process, it can lead to synchronization problems. Account linking issues. If you've recently added a new account or changed your login credentials, Rocket Money might need some time to verify and sync the new information. 3. Rocket Money's internal issues. While Rocket Money strives for reliability, they're not immune to their own internal issues. Server maintenance. Like any online service, Rocket Money needs to perform regular server maintenance. During these times, certain features or the entire app might be temporarily unavailable. Software bugs. Even with rigorous testing, software bugs can slip through the cracks. These bugs can cause unexpected errors and lead to temporary issues. High traffic volumes. During peak usage times, Rocket Money servers might experience high traffic volumes, which can slow down performance and cause errors. 4. User-specific issues. Sometimes, the problem isn't with Rocket Money or the financial institutions, but with your own setup. Incorrect login credentials. Double-check that you're using the correct username and password for your bank accounts. Outdated app version. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Rocket Money app. Older versions might have bugs or compatibility issues. Internet connectivity problems. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent Rocket Money from connecting to your financial institutions. Account limitations. Some accounts do not allow third-party access. So, what can you do when you encounter a temporary issue on Rocket Money? First, don't panic. It's usually not a sign of a major financial catastrophe. Here are a few steps you can take. Check Rocket Money's status page. Rocket Money often provides updates on known issues on their status page. Check there first to see if there's a widespread problem. Wait and try again. Sometimes, the issue resolves itself after a few minutes or hours. Try refreshing the app or logging out and logging back in. Check your bank's website or app. See if you can access your accounts directly through your bank's website or app. If you're having trouble accessing your accounts there, the problem might be with your bank, not Rocket Money. Contact Rocket Money support. If the issue persists, reach out to Rocket Money's customer support team. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide more information. Check your internet connection. Ensure the internet connection is stable. Update the application. Ensure the application is on the latest version available. Check your bank's terms of service. Ensure the bank allows third-party application access. Understanding the temporary nature. The term temporary is crucial here. These issues are generally not permanent. They're usually caused by transient factors like server downtime or API changes, which are eventually resolved. Rocket Money and your financial institutions are constantly working to improve their systems and minimize disruptions. They understand that reliability is essential for user trust. Ultimately, the best approach is to be patient and proactive. Keep an eye on Rocket Money's status page, check your financial institution's websites, and don't hesitate to reach out to support if you need help. Remember, Rocket Money is a tool designed to simplify your financial life. While temporary glitches can be frustrating, they're usually not a cause for alarm. By understanding the potential causes of these issues and knowing how to troubleshoot them, you can minimize the impact on your financial management. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.